morning to all. My name is Samritika. I am studying 7th standard in Chairman Manika Vasana Middle School. ISRO English speech. Indian Space Research Organization ISRO Indian Space Agency founded in 1969 to develop an independent Indian space program with headquarters in Bangalore, Karnataka. ISRO's chief executive is also chair of Indian Government Space Commission under the Secretary of the Department of Space. The ISRO operators thought a country's network of senders, sensor and payloads are developed at the Space Application Center in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Satellites are designed, developed, assembled and tested at the UR Satellite Center in Bangalore. Launched vehicles are developed at the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Launched Take Space at the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota Island, Andhra Pradesh. The master control facilities for geostationary satellite station keeping are located at Hassan, Karnataka and Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Reception and processing facilities for remote sensing data are at the National Remote Sensing Center in Hyderabad, Telangana. ISRO's commercial arm is Antix Corporation, which has its headquarters in Bangalore. ISRO's first satellite, Aryabhatta, was launched by the Soviet Union of April 1979. Rohini, the first satellite to be placed in orbit by an Indian mode launched vehicle, was launched in July 18, 2018. ISRO has launched several space systems, including at the Indian National System for Telecommunication, Television, Broadcasting, Meteorology and Disasters Warning and the Indian Remote Sensing Satellites for Resources Monitoring and Management. The first INSAT was launched in 1988 and the program expanded to including geosynchronous satellite called GSAT. The first IRS satellite was also launched in 1988 and the program developed more specialist satellites including the radar imaging satellite one Resat 1 launched in 2012 and the satellite with the Aros and Alticos Sarala launched in 2030. Here joins Indian French mission and research ocean have heightened. ISRO's subsequently developed three other rockets. The Polar System launched vehicle PSLV for putting satellites into polar orbit. The Geostationary Space launched vehicle GSLV for playing satellites into geostationary orbit and a heavy lift version of the GSLV called the LVM-3. Thus, rocket launched communication satellite and Earth observation satellite and were also used for the Chandrayaan mission to the moon. Chandrayaan 1 2008, Chandrayaan 2 2019, Chandrayaan 3 2023, as well as the Mars orbit mission 2030. Indian first mission to Mars on January 16, 2025. ISRO successfully completed the SpaceX mission, marking Indian first demonstration of space talking. This achievement makes India the fourth country after the United States, Russia and China to process space talking technology. ISRO plans to put astronauts into orbit with a Gaganyaan spacecraft, originally planned for 2024. The craved flight has since been pushed to 2026. Thank you to all.